Procrastination is something we all struggle with. But what if I told you there's a simple, science-backed way to stop it in its tracks? Today, I'm going to show you how to stop procrastinating using the 5-second rule. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy, it's a habit that holds us back from achieving our full potential. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Your brain is wired to avoid discomfort. The good news is, you can trick your brain into acting instead of delaying. The 5-second rule is an incredibly powerful tool that helps you break the procrastination cycle and take immediate action. The 5-second rule was created by Mel Robbins, and it's as simple as it sounds. When you feel the urge to act on a goal or task, whether it's writing an email, starting a workout, or getting out of bed, you count down from 5 to 1. Then, you immediately take action before your brain has a chance to talk you out of it. Why does the 5-second rule work so well? It's all about how your brain reacts to hesitation. When you pause and overthink, your brain activates the part that controls fear and doubt. But when you count down and act quickly, you bypass that hesitation and activate the part of your brain that controls focus and action. Studies show that when you delay action, your brain releases chemicals like cortisol, which triggers stress. On the other hand, when you make quick decisions, dopamine is released, which motivates and rewards you. The 5-second rule helps your brain take advantage of that dopamine rush, turning small actions into big momentum. Now, let's break down how you can use this technique in your own life. First, pinpoint the task you're procrastinating on. It could be something big or small. When you feel that hesitation, start counting down from 5. Don't think about it, just count. As soon as you hit 1, act immediately. No second guessing. Whether it's opening a document or picking up the phone, just do it. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine you have a presentation to prepare, but you keep putting it off. Use the 5-second rule. You feel the resistance, count down from 5. When you hit 1, open your presentation file and start writing the first bullet point. You're lying in bed, wanting to start your morning workout but feeling lazy. Count down from 5. When you reach 1, get up and put on your workout clothes. You'll be amazed how quickly momentum builds after that first step. I know it's not always easy. Some days, it feels impossible to get started. But remember, the 5-second rule isn't about doing everything perfectly, it's about starting. Once you make that first move, it's much easier to continue. And even if you don't feel like finishing, just starting is a huge win. Remember, the 5-second rule is a game changer, but you have to commit to using it every day. So next time you catch yourself procrastinating, count down and take action. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and leave a comment sharing your experience with the 5-second rule.